What is it? No, is it moose?
Dang, buddy, you hear that thunder? You hear that thunder? It's gonna get real wet. That sucks. I was hoping to hike up and grab my BioLite. We'll have lunch. And then we might still go back up there. See if we can find it. What should we do? Should we do hot dogs and tortillas, or should we do rice beans with tuna? Spicy style. What you think, Boop? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna push it. It's cold. It's chilly.
It's chilly, chilly, chilly. Plus, I'm clean now and dry.
Attaboy. Whoo-wee, smoky. There we go. Well, why are you bringing rocks in here randomly? I don't want those. You're gonna make me roll my ankle on one because I don't see it. Here, you wanna go chase it? Rock, okay. Well, this is a day in my life. It's Saturday. It's pretty much my day off. The only thing that I have to worry about doing is the chores for the animals. Now, technically, with the work stay program that I'm doing, weekends are mine, but since Jeannie broke her leg on my second day, I've been picking up all the extra stuff. So technically, my day is mine today. I just have to make sure that I feed and water the rabbits, I let the goats out, I let the chickens out, and then I, let the chickens back in, let the goats back in, and feed them all. And make sure all 7 dogs get fed as well. Otherwise, I get to just hang out and make you guys a video, apparently. A year ago, I was in a homeless tent camp, freezing my ass off in St. Paul, Minnesota.